Okay, back again now to do the hands and feet. So we get some clay and warm it up. Here the difficulty will be, you'll probably encounter, like we all do, having both the same size. For some reason, one becomes bigger than the other. But anyway, we can adjust that. Whoa, rocking my desk. So you make it quite a good sized ball, condition it to begin with, and what I'm aiming to do is a sausage type thing. Okay. Should have done this off camera, but I thought, oh well, I'll show you. That is my oven timer, which means little Sebastian in the oven has cooked, so I'm just going to go and turn him off.